Okay. Right. I'm just gonna light a little fire with these spark things. Quite good. Get with the fire here. Right. Watch how easy
Can't
this is,
see.
right? See that? Yeah. Could add more stuff to that if you really wanted to. I'm not gonna. It's a little fire start thing. Come out of you, fresh eyes. You're a pyromaniac like me. Quite fun. Yeah, so something to bear in mind. You want me to show you again, I won't. Because if you weren't watching, you should be too much of a knob. Okay. Yes, so, spark thing, quite good to have by YouTubers.